Welcome to the latest update for Ascent. Construction during October has had a real good pace. As you'll see behind me, frames are up on 2 buildings. Above me here is the first floor for the first building, and they're putting the floor in for the second building right now. Lots happening, you'll start to see some real action now. October was fairly challenging with some significant storm fronts coming through, but full credit to Matt and his team for keeping us on track. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with you next month.